What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video with your boy Thick Whips. Today we're doing a point of view driving video of my 2020 A90 Supra. Right now it has about 490 wheel horsepower. I'm on an E30 map, E30 blend tune, running an E30 ethanol mix. The car does have full bolt-ons and we are out in the mountains of North Carolina. It's gonna be a fun one. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. This car feels great with the KW V3s, man. Like, super good. Suspension feels great. It's a little bit of body roll, but nothing too crazy, man. And it's definitely rather tame. You got some cops rolling around back here. Yeah. These tires are just not wide enough. Not wide enough for this power. I got some 305s on the way for the back. I think those are gonna help out a lot. I don't know what's on the back right now. I think it's 275s on the back. Just not quite cutting it. So I'm actually going to be running 275s on the front, 305s on the back. My new wheels. Man, it rips. When you want it to, when you open it up, this thing just rips. It feels good in the corners. This is my first time really hitting it on some good roads. And it feels really good. Feels nice. It's got a little bit of body roll. I mean, it's to be expected, but I think that I have the suspension set rather conservative right now. Like, you can change the dampening and the rebound and everything, and right now I just have it set to like straight out of the box. I think it was at like 5, like middle ground area. So I'd probably stiffen it up just a little bit, Like if it's at 5, I'd probably go to like a 7. But it feels really good. And the car just, dude, it's a great car. Give you guys an example of full traction control off. It's I do not recommend doing this on like busy roads. You really need to make sure that you can control your vehicle if you're gonna ride like this. So this thing whips out. All right, from a jump. I saw the blinking light on top. I was like, oh, shit. But I think it was just I don't know what he was. Hopefully he's not gonna radio in. That wasn't bad. I mean, it's really like first and second gear where it's just like good luck getting any traction. This thing just whips out. But on these kind of roads, definitely want to leave the traction control on. Because if you if you go off the road up here, that's death. That's it for you, and it's just not worth it. Even with traction control on, you can feel the car kind of like kicking in and correcting itself and saying, hey dude, we're slipping. It's really nice having this valve system. I mean, it makes a huge difference when you're driving. It's a matter of actually using a resonated muffler versus straight piped. This car does have the catless Valvetronic downpipe with the full Valvetronic exhaust system. So when it opens, it is loud, like really loud. Still sounds good even with it closed though. It still has like, you can hear some pops and burbles, but it has like a good tone to it. You mostly hear turbo noise when you close it. All right, getting to some fun roads up here. Open her back up. mark on my head. This video is actually like an afterthought. I came out here to actually go hiking, and then I was like, maybe I should just bring the camera and do some driving footage. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please do subscribe, comment down below, like this video, hit that bell notification. Just like that, this video's over, and we're out. Peace. Higher up, harder to breathe. Just park and eat lunch. So dope. It's beautiful. Ha ha ha.